Hello my dear student, welcome to my YouTube channel MS Amir Hussain. Today's in this video I am going to solve question number 5 from 7.5. You can see integrate the rational function. First of all, we write this term without any changing. You can see x twice x plus 1 into x plus 2. Instead of this quadratic equation also we can write this term. But you have need to know how we get this. So I will teach you, don't worry. Don't be confused, okay? So you can see x square plus thrice of x plus 2. We have to factorize this term from the concept class 9 10th. So we have to multiple uh, with this term and with its coefficient. Do you know what is the coefficient of x square? The coefficient of x square is 1 and here constant is present. So we have to multiple with them. Then we get 2. 1 into 2. Then you get 2. And you have to factorize. And you have to factorize so that it can resemble with this middle term. Coefficient of x is 3. So you can see we have to take two rules. First is addition and second is what? Second is subtraction. Second is subtraction. If we do addition 1 plus 2, then you get 3. If we subtract 2 minus 1, then you get 1. So that's why we have to take this term. Instead of 3, we also write 1 plus 2 mean 3. So you can see x square is as it is plus instead of 3 we can write 2 plus 1, yes or no? And x is in multiple and 2 is as it is and 2 is in as it is. So you can see here x square plus twice 1 2 plus 1 into x plus 2. You can see my mobile phone is crumbling, so that's why picture also crumbling, video also crumbling, so that's why please don't be confused. You can see x square and this x multiple under bracket, under the parenthesis bracket you can see twice x plus x plus 2. And here you can see that here x are present, so that so we have to take common x plus 2. So x multiple, then we get x square, and x multiple with 2, then we get twice x, yes or no? So and you have need to know that x plus 2 is in parenthesis bracket, so also we have to take the similar term. For getting similar term we have to take 1, then you get x plus 2. You can see under the parenthesis bracket x plus 1 is present, and you can see under the bracket already x plus 2 is present. So you can see this term is resemble with this term. So why you don't like that? It is just because of for finding for obey the fraction rule, partial fraction rule. If you know about partial fraction, then you have to watch the first video. So you can see twice x is divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2. We can write okay. Before solving further line, we have to remember a concept called partial fraction. Do you know what is partial fraction? Don't worry, I will show you in this video. So you can see here form of the rational function and form of the partial what function. So this is partial, this is rational function, and this rational function you have to convert into what? Partial fraction. So you can see this is your what? Rational term, and this rational term also you can write a by x minus a plus b by x minus b, and this is known as what? Partial function, partial fraction. So same concept we have to apply here. So as a rule of partial fraction we can write a is divided by what? X plus 1 plus b is divided by what? X plus 2. And twice x is divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2. We have to bring down without any changing. X is divided by x plus 1 into x plus what? 2. So in the right side of the equal sign just we have to take LCM. Don't worry. What is the LCM of x plus 1 and x plus 2? Just we have to multiple, then we get LCM. So x plus 1 into x plus 2 is LCM of above term. So x plus 1 and x plus 1 will cancel out and remaining are multiple. X plus 1 will cancel out and remaining are multiple. Remaining are what? A into x plus 2. So we can write a into x plus what? 2. B plus, this plus is as it is, and x plus 2 will cancel out and remaining are multiple. So x plus what? 1. You can notice in the denominator of the both or right and left of the equal sign that x plus 1 and x plus 2 are what? Same. So for same term we can cancel out. So remaining twice x is equal to ax plus 2 plus b of what? X plus 1. My mobile phone is scrambling. It is just because of I'm handling my mobile phone with my hand. However, I want to give you proper answer. Please subscribe my channel. So twice x, and this is a multiple with the term of parenthesis bracket. So this bracket is known as what? Parenthesis bracket. Ax plus a twice a. So plus b of x plus b. Simply we can write. So twice x is as it is, and the similar term will have to be separated. Ax plus b of x, the constant term twice a plus b. So on compare, we have to compare. So before that we have to write a further line for your clarification understanding. So twice x, you can see here xx is as it similar, okay, similar term, so we can take common and remaining are same. And here you can see plus is as it is and twice a plus what? B. So now we can write on compare. On compare, you have to compare with the coefficient of x as well as with constant. So here you can see the coefficient of x is what? A plus b. Coefficient means which number or digit multiple with what? X. So you can see the coefficient of x is what? A plus b. And in the left side of the equal sign you can see, in the right side of the what? Equal sign you can see 2 is a coefficient. So you can write a plus b is equal to what? 2. And for constant term twice a plus b is equal to what? 0. Let's say this is first equation and this is what? Second is equation. So here 1 minus 2 equation number. So what is the equation of first? A plus b equal 2. So a plus b minus this minus is as it is, and under the bracket we have to write twice a plus b, twice a plus what? B, twice a plus b, and 2 minus 0. A plus b minus twice a minus b is equal to 2. Here 2 is in negative and this is in what? Positive, so cancel out. A minus twice a is equal to 2, minus a is equal to 2, and the value of a is what? Minus 2. So this value we have to put in any equation. Which is choice? My choice equation is first equation. So first equation what? A plus b is equal to what? 2. So just we have to put the value in equation number 1. So instead of a we can write minus 2 plus b is equal to 2. So we have to take this b is in same and this 2 also same, but this minus 2 when you convert uh, when you take right side of the equal side, then sign will change. So having what negative, so it convert into positive. So 2 to 4. So you able to see that the value of a is what, -2, and value of b is what, 4. So you able to get the value of what, this. So our main theme is what, to find the value a and b, and this value just we have to put in the what, in the partial fraction. This is the partial fraction value. This is the partial fraction value. Just we have to put here, and we have to integrate, and finally we are able to get what, our answer. So partial fraction, a is divided by what, a is divided by x plus 1 plus b is divided by what, x plus 2. So just we have to integrate with respect to dx. So we can write in separately, a is divided by x plus 2, x plus 1 and dx. The integration of a is divided by x plus 1 with respect to dx, plus b is divided by x plus 2 with respect to dx. Just we have put the value of this. The value of a is what, -2. So integration sign is as it is, and -2 is divided by x plus what, 1 with respect to dx, plus instead of b you can write 4 is divided by x plus what, 2 with respect to d of x. -2 x plus 2 x plus 1, x plus 1, x plus 1 plus integration of b is divided by x plus what, 2. Don't forget to write dx. So here you can see -2 is a constant, so we have to write outside of the equal sign, and to 1 by x plus with respect to dx, plus instead of b we have to write 4. So 4 is also constant, so we have to write like that. So 1 by x plus what, 2 with respect to dx. So before going to further line, we have to remember a concept with the help of example. You can see, if you have 1 by t and you have to integrate with respect to t, then what we do, then we can write log of what, under modulus t plus c. So same concept we have to apply here. You can see 1 in numerator, 1 in denominator, x plus 1 in denominator, simplicity. Let's say the value of t is what, x plus 1. Just we have to put the value here. So this is seems to be x plus 1 plus c. Okay, so some concept we have to apply here. Constant is as it is, so the integration of this term is log of what, x plus 1 plus 4 is as it is. Don't forget to write this minus. Okay, minus log of what, x plus what, x plus 2 under modulus and constant c. For resemble with the NCERT answer sheet of our maths, we have to write at first log of what, x plus 2 and minus 2 log of what, x plus 1 plus c. So this is your appropriate answer. Thank you my dear student. Please like and subscribe your channel. Thank you. 7.5 question number 5. For log of x plus 2 minus 2 log of x plus 1. This is your answer. Thank you.